Hello there, beautiful people. Today let's take a walk down memory lane and look at the Mr. Sketch scented parfum markers. These have a chisel tip. They are not washable. They have an extra strong tip, and there's 12 markers in here, and each one has an individual scent. So these were my favorite when I was a kid. They've actually been a trusted educator's brand for over 40 years, and each marker, each color, so there's red, that's cherry, there's magenta, that's raspberry, there's pink, that's melon, orange, that's, well, orange, yellow, that's lemon, green, that is mint, a dark green, that is apple, a turquoise, that is mango. I don't really understand that one. Blue is blueberry, purple is grape, brown is cinnamon, and my least favorite smell, black licorice. That's black. So they're vibrant, lasting colors. They have a chisel tip for fine and medium, broad lines. They're not intended for children under the age of 3, but you know, as an adult, I enjoy these very, very much because they remind me of my childhood. They're a great pack of markers to have. Thing that's really become a big trend with adults is coloring, because it's relaxing, and this is something fun that you can use to color with that actually smells good. It smells fun. So these are the 12 colors right here. Red, let's see, I think this is magenta, this is the pink melon, orange, lemon, let's see, green, dark green is apple, the light green is mint, turquoise is mango, the blue is blueberry, the purple is grape, and I think we already covered these two, and then the brown is cinnamon, and the black is black licorice, my least favorite, but still, they're all super fun. So I'm just going to demonstrate here what kind of lines each one makes. So this one is the red cherry, which smells really good. It actually doesn't seep through the paper. This is just lined paper. So that's the red, which is super fun, and it's cherry. And then we've got the orange, which again smells like orange. So, and it doesn't actually seep through the back of the paper, which it kind of does, but not too much. So I'm going to go on to yellow, which is lemon. Which is kind of a nice light yellow, so yellow, lemon. The light green, which I'm smelling now, is mint. Light green, mint. The dark green, which smells really good, which is apple. So that's a super fun one. The blue, which is blueberry. See how it has this nice chiseled tip where you can make thinner lines, thicker lines, even thicker lines. So this is blue, berry. This one is the turquoise mango, which doesn't really make a whole lot of sense, but it smells really good. So this is the turquoise. Nice thin lines, thick lines. Turquoise. This mango. I guess they had to figure out something to give it as a smell. And then the purple. Nice thick lines, some little thin lines. Purple. And that's grape. And you're not going to get any side effects from smelling these. They're meant to be smelled, so it's a good thing. It's not like smelling glue or smelling markers that you shouldn't be smelling. This one is, I believe, the pink melon. Thick lines. Nice for coloring in things. This is the Magenta, which is raspberry. Raspberry. A little hard to read. Then I'm going to switch over to the next page, and these are the last two markers. The dark brown, which smells like cinnamon. Brown. Nice thick lines, little thin lines. And the last in the batch, which is the black, which smells pretty much like black licorice, my least favorite smell. I think I'm spelling that wrong. So these are the colors: red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, blue, turquoise, purple, pink melon, magenta, brown, cinnamon, and licorice, and they're all super fun. Comes in this nice 12 marker pack, and it has an extra strong tip. They're super fun for kids and adults, but yeah, everyone has a different scent, so that's super fun. So don't take my word for it, try it out yourself, and thanks so much for watching.